A natural homemade ice cream in your kitchen without spending $300. I'm going to show you how to make your two favorite flavors at one time. I'll be using peanut butter cookies and Oreos. First, crush those up. We're going to use 1 cup of whole milk, 1/3 cup of heavy whipping cream, some vanilla, and then I'm going to use this 0-calorie sugar. I'm going to do 1 tablespoon of that, and now we can pour our crushed cookies into the mix. You can use whatever add-ins you want, stir that up. I froze these mugs overnight in the freezer. Just pop those on and add in the paddles, put the top on, set the timer. We can now add in our mixture. If you have other ingredients you want to add, you can add those into the mix. This is already thickening up after 5 minutes. This here is after 10 minutes, and after 15 minutes, it's ready. Look at the ice cream. I can't believe how quickly and easily I was able to make that. It's the perfect consistency. I only use 1 cup of milk, but these mugs definitely hold larger portions if you want more. You can add additional toppings and flavor the ice cream however you'd like. There's so many different recipes. I love that you can make 2 different flavors at once. Just look at that. It turned out amazing and it tastes delicious. Another great option is you can just cover these mugs and put them back in the freezer if you want to save them for later.